Today we are making a very unique and creamy gravy recipe using boiled eggs, cold rasmalai egg dish. You must try making eggs this way at least once. It turns out absolutely delicious and the best part, it's super easy to make too. So let's check out the full recipe. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss any step. First take 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. As the oil begins to heat up slightly, keep the flame on low. Now add the followings. 1/4 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 tablespoon green chili paste, half tablespoon red chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1/4 tablespoon cumin powder, 1/4 tablespoon white pepper powder. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of special chutney made with tomato, garlic and red chili powder. To prepare this chutney, I used about 15 garlic cloves, 2 small tomatoes and 1 tablespoon red chili powder. And finally, we will add lots of finely chopped coriander leaves. Cook all the spices together on medium-high flame, stirring continuously until the oil separates completely and everything is well roasted. Once the masala is roasted well, add 3 boiled eggs, which I have already cut into small pieces. Also add salt to taste and half tablespoon chicken masala powder. Now pour in about half a cup of water and saute eggs with the masala for few seconds so that the boiled eggs get fully coated in all the flavors. When the oil starts to separate again, transfer everything to a serving plate. Garnish it with finely chopped fresh coriander and set it aside. Add 1/4 tablespoon green chili paste, half tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon white pepper powder. And now we will take 2 boiled eggs, grated along with both the white and yolk. Add them into pan as well. Also add salt to taste. Now add 1 cup fresh cream and half a cup of water and mix everything really well. Once combined, use a masher to mash the mixture gently and cook it on medium to low flame, sauteing as it thickens. After a few seconds of cooking, our smooth white velvety gravy is ready. Garnish it with finely chopped coriander and pour it over the red masala coated egg we prepared earlier. Spread it gently so the white gravy covers everything. Garnish one more time with chopped coriander. And there you have it, our flavor packed tempting rasmalai egg dish ready to serve. Do try this recipe at least once. It's truly unique and super enjoyable. And you will experience a brand new taste. So go ahead and try it and don't forget to comment and let me know how you liked it. If you enjoyed the recipe, like the video, share it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.